Hey guys, working on a Mercedes M100 engine, Pagoda, W108, many different Mercedes. This will be the same on the 250, the 230, the 280, SEL from the 60s, the Pagoda. Anyways, the ignition timing springs that are very, very hard to get and to find. I figured out a suitable replacement springs. Those go inside the timing there. There's two timings on this. One is a vacuum timing, and then the other one is a spring with weights, which are these. And I, for the life of me, could not find any. I've had this car for over 10 years, and I finally found one that is bang on. I'm going to show it to you right now. Check it out. There it is. It is absolutely identical in every way whatsoever. And what is it from? It is from a Porsche. So I got it on Amazon. You know what? I'll show you the Amazon ad right now. So yeah, you can get them, guys. Woohoo! I've honestly never been happier. Finally figured out which spring fits. Okay, here is the ad. Okay, here's an eBay ad. Here's some information for you. Here's what they look like. Feel free to pause the video to get other numbers. Here, let's go to the description part of this video or this ad. And you can type in, any one of this information and you should be able to find it. Here is the Porsches that it fits into. So if you type in any one of these Porsches or some of those first numbers you've seen there, you should be able to find them, guys. Plus, you know what they look like now. Anyways, good hunting, everybody. So, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, click on the series. I got tons of videos on this engine, how to set the ignition timing, how to set the mechanical fuel injection pump, replacement radiator, electric fuel pump. You name it, I got it. Thanks for watching.